Earlier this hour, the Memorial Foundation rang the opening bell at the Exchange to recognize Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That was yesterday. And our content creator, Ashley Mastronardi, is on the floor with more. Ashley, I'm going to send things down to you.
Thanks, Kristen. The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, located on the National Mall in Washington, D.C., aims to inspire people from around the world to live a life based on the principles of democracy, justice, hope, and love. Joining me now to share more is Harry Johnson. He is the CEO and president of the Memorial Foundation. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so thrilled to be here on this day after Dr. King's holiday.
So 15 years after the memorial opened, what does it mean to honor the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.?
What it really means is that Dr. King's dream is not just a dream, it's something we carry on the rest of our lives. We talk about the mission and everything that we do at the Memorial Foundation, how pleased we are when people come for the first time and see the memorial or the quotes around the wall say, Dr. King was a hero, not just this country, but indeed the world.
What is the mission of the Memorial Foundation?
In simple terms, the mission is to continue folk understanding democracy, justice, hope, peace, and love. Those are the four quotations the themes that we have around the memorial. And we believe that if folk understand and believe in those four themes, that this will be a better country, and like Louis Armstrong, what a wonderful world this would be.
And what do you do to preserve and protect the memorial? Can you describe the memorial to us?
Sure. So the memorial is 30 feet tall, granite, with quotes around the wall that we have there. But more important is for folks to come, see, and visit. We do programs at the memorial. So we do free movies in the summertime. We do things so that people understand that it's not just a piece of stone. It's in fact a legacy in the memory and name of Dr. King and for those four things that he stood for.
And how do your programs bring Dr. King's message of nonviolence and justice and love into communities?
Very simple. We have 4 or 5 different programs that we do. One is dealing with youth. In the HBCU community, we bring high school kids to understand that they too could go to college. So we do that all around the country and indeed over the Bahamas. We also have a program where we bring in young leaders, 18 to 35, to talk about a cohort and doing things in their community to make a difference in their lives, but in their community lives as well.
And why is youth leadership a focus of the Memorial Foundation?
Because the youth are our future. So those guys and gals who need to come and understand that they ought to have a stake in this thing called America, to make it a greater country, to make it a better country, and a country where we understand justice, love, and democracy are key components to having a better life, not just in America, but around the world.
Why do you think it's important to continue to commemorate Dr. King's legacy?
Very simple. Dr. King was just like our other leaders, like Lincoln, Jefferson, and others. While he was not a founding founder of America, he certainly came in when this country was being split in two and said that we have to live together as people or we would not die as enemies. Dr. King understood that you have to bring this world together. He changed America at a critical time with his message of hope, love, and democracy, and justice.
And what actions do you hope that people could take to honor Dr. King's legacy?
Well, the actions that they can take is be better people. Number one, love everybody. Number two, understand that justice really is for all of us, no matter what color, what nationality you are, what gender you are. Justice means being able to have justice in this country and then take it forward. Also love. Having love for your fellow neighbor. Doing good things for your neighbor to say, hey, we could be better people. Those are the actions that we really want people to understand and take away from the Martin Luther King Memorial and Dr. King's vision of a more unified and a more better community.
And what is next for the Memorial Foundation?
Next is we do a day of love, where we actually go into the DC community, give away free boxes of food for anyone who wants food. We then start going to HBCUs to bring in high school kids who are interested in going to college. And then we do our program with our fellows as they meet for 8 weeks with somebody like Roland Martin and others to basically take their work back into their community and make a difference in their community.
All right, Harry Johnson, CEO and president of the Memorial Foundation, thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange and sharing such a beautiful message.
Thank you so much. We appreciate being here.